The only mistake that I did not think of my mistakes that I did in my mock test. I did not go back and check what are the mistakes that I have done. So, that constant effort from both the sides helped me to get my score in the second attempt.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, what a great day. I've got Darshana from Melbourne with me, an online student. She has got 88 in PT, a perfect 90 in speaking and 90 in listening, 86 in reading, 82 in writing. Congratulations, very well done.
Thank you so much, Varun. Thank you so much. I literally have so many people to thank. First of all, my tutor who taught me the latest templates and give me the important tricks and strategies to prepare for my PTE. I did not get my score in the first attempt. I'm being honest,
Mhm.
but the second time I learned the hard way. But yeah, it just paid off.
That's very good. It's very important to be honest to yourself as well. As you have mentioned, you missed out on your first attempt. Darshana, what do you think was different when you took your second attempt as compared to your first attempt, which you think helped you get this score?
So, Varun, to be honest, like in the first attempt, I tried to give as many mock tests as I can.
Mm-hmm.
The only mistake that I did not think of my mistakes that I did in my mock test. I did not go back and check what are the mistakes that I have done.
Mm-hmm.
It's just that I thought I need a practice. So I just keep on going to do the more and more mock tests.
Yeah.
But in the second attempt, that's the thing that I rectified
Mm-hmm.
with just going back and checking, especially in reading, because that's like I found it very difficult. So just going back and just looking at it, why did I choose that answer and why am I wrong? And then yeah, it just helped me in the next attempt.
So it's more of it's in the first attempt you were just practicing, but in the second one you were practicing and you were learning as well. Very,
That's right.
very important that we don't just practice. It's more about practicing, having a look at where we're going wrong, and then when you practice the next time, make sure you do not repeat the same mistakes. It's not just about practicing, it is about improving, and that's what she did in her second attempt and has got her desired score. Darshana, a perfect 90 in speaking and listening. What is the secret sauce behind this?
Just be with your flow, your natural flow. Do
Mhm.
not speak very fast or slow, just go with your natural flow. Do not care more about pronunciation. When you're talking in your natural flow, your pronunciation will be right, because in the first attempt, again, I'll go back and say I was too much focusing on pronunciation, and I gave so many practice read aloud and repeat sentence from LA's website.
Mhm.
And I was wondering why couldn't I get the score for especially pronunciation. But then I got the flow of it, just going
Yeah.
with the great flow. So yeah, that helped me to get the perfect 90 with the both sections.
That's correct. See, I always emphasize this thing, and she has just mentioned the same thing that it's not about just your speed or just your clarity. You have to balance both. Along with
Yes.
that, you do not have to go too fast, not too slow. You have to go at a moderate pace. But yes, whatever you're speaking naturally, that should be clear, understandable, and then success will be yours. One more thing I would like to ask you, being an online student, some students think that it's very difficult to get feedback or improve or learn or get a hold of tutors. How was your experience with that, being an online student?
Being an online student, I won't say I did feel any difference. That was so great. Like my experience with Aman was my tutor,
Yeah.
and she helped me every time I needed her help. So she always used to text me, have you given the mock test, have you given the did you prepare whatever question I gave you? So that constant effort from both the sides helped me to get my score in the second attempt. First attempt I did used Lele's website, but I did not take any
Yeah.
like course or any tuition from any tutor.
Yeah.
But second attempt, yes, it did help me to get my score. Yeah.
Yes, that's right. One great piece of advice here would be learning from Darshana that yes, it's not just about practicing, it's more about improving. Make sure whenever you
Yes.
practice, you get someone to check it for you, tell you what mistakes you're making, because many a times we think we are doing it the right way, but that might not be the best way to approach a particular task in PT, and that might be causing you to lose a lot of points in your module and any question type as well. So make sure whenever you practice, you learn from your mistakes. and get your desired scores in the very first go. Congratulations and all the very best, Darshana. So proud of you.
Thank you so much, Varun.
Guys, remember this thing. If she has done it, if I have done it, if thousands of students are doing it every day, you can do it as well. Just make sure you work hard and smart in the right direction, under the right feedback and guidance, and success will be yours. That's it from this video. Make sure you keep on practicing, practice in the right direction, and get the right feedback, and you will get your desired scores as well.